So we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to add custom widgets to your Go High Level dashboard. So when you're in a sub account like this here, you can see that we are in the sub account of this demo account that I have. In this account, it traditionally requires for default dashboards, you do need admin access. Um, if you create additional dashboards, some of the additional ones you may not need to be able to do this at the sub account level. So when you're in the admin access and you've got the ability here, it will say edit dashboard right over here on the right. Go ahead and click that. From here, you can see this now allows you to edit, drag, replace, kind of move all the different widgets on the dashboard around. If we want to add different widgets, we simply click add widget. From here, it's going to default to all of the default widgets or the native widgets within Go High Level, but we want to add a custom one. So to do a custom widget, we're going to go to Elements. We're going to go to Embed. And from here, we can go ahead and add this in here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to give it a title. So we're working on a Looker Studio report. So we're going to add this one and call it Looker Studio Report. We get to choose between a URL or an IFrame. So if you're embedding this, traditionally there's an IFrame code. So you can just hit IFrame. You can give the ability here then to paste in. So I've already got this pasted or copied to the clipboard. So we're going to go ahead and paste in our IFrame. And then simply hit save. And it's going to add that down here at the bottom. Now we can move this around. So we're going to add it here as an example. We can drag it, make it bigger. We can edit that widget. If we didn't like it, we can hit this little button over here, hit delete. We can duplicate it, all of that sort of thing. Then when we're done, you can see I've got an additional one up here. When we're done, we hit Save Changes. And our Looker Studio report is now right on the dashboard. Pretty simple. Embedded codes to be able to put custom widgets right on the dashboard inside of Go High Level.